Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to go over the top stock to invest in heading into 2025. And I went over this a few weeks ago, but I will go over it again because as you can see, look what is happening to the stock as of YTD year to date. Look at it on the screen. It is in a bull and it has been in a bull ever since about a couple months ago. That's when it really started, but it's been growing the entire year to date, as you can see right here. And it is Soundhound AI Incorporated, SOUN on NASDAQ. Its abbreviation, its nickname. And yeah, we're going to go over this real quick on why you should invest in this. Now, I am doing 3, but 2 are Patreon exclusives. 2 are going to be on exclusively on the Patreon. All you got to do is go for the $6 tier, and that's it. Just a $6 one if you would like to do so. But this is one you definitely want to consider, Soundhound AI. I cannot stress this one enough. Look how much this has grown in just the past couple months. Just in 2 months, but it has been growing all year, and it was growing last year, but not over 900%, as you can see right here. So this is a penny stock you may want to get in. It's not going to be a penny stock much longer. But yeah, this is to trade or hold on to heading into 2025. Excuse me. Voice artificial intelligence company, Soundhound AI Incorporated, that enables consumers to have natural conversations with AI. A plethora of businesses and franchises from fast food to healthcare are already looking into this technology to incorporate into their workflow. For example, you could be at a drive-through and the AI voice will pick up your order instead of a human. That is already here. NVIDIA has already invested heavily into this stock, so you may want to consider that as well. NVIDIA believes in this stock as well. NVIDIA, one of the biggest chip makers, graphics chip makers as well in the computer industry. But yeah, year-to-date performance, as I just showed you, plus 990%, 990.38% year-to-date. Last year was a fantastic time to get into this, but it's still not too late. This will continue to increase. Several other companies, like I said, from fast food to healthcare, are already looking into this to incorporate, already to and to invest in it as well, like NVIDIA has. 1 month performance plus 13.75. I can show you that. 13.75, 13.73 currently, 153.41% increase in 1 month, in the past month. After hours, 22.74 plus 0.06 plus 0.26%. So it's going up consistently. This is an AI, so you may want to hold on to it. And as you can see here, even Google related Google. Google does a good job of putting the explore more category and related to the companies that invested in the company you put in the search bar. For example, NVIDIA has invested in Soundhound, hence the increase here, and they're showing you all the companies that's related to it. So consider that. And Rigetti Computing, I went over that a few days ago. That's another one you may want to consider. But the Soundhound AI is for sure what you want. All right, since this is an AI stock, buy and hold right now. I'd recommend holding it and buying it than trading it. But if you would like to trade it, go ahead and do so. It does increase. These pretty much all the stocks I went over today do better later in the day. They do better around noon to afternoon Eastern, and that's what you want to consider with these stocks that I gave you today. They do better if you're going to trade them, but I recommend holding on to this stock. This is an AI stock. You may want to consider holding on to this long term. AI is trending and will continue to thrive as every industry must adapt to it sooner or later. Expect this stock to go on another bull this year. But if you decide to trade, always trade later in the business day, as I just said. Usually spike in the afternoon rather than before noon in a gap up. So don't expect, if you do expect a gap up, do not jump at it real quickly because it could decrease. Then it'll jump higher. But if you want to go in for it, go in for it. This is an AI stock. it is going to increase. But yeah, the other two will be on my Patreon. Link is in the description. And I'll give you a hint on one. One is related to the president, and one is in the quantum industry. But yeah, join the Patreon. Link is in the description. The other two are fantastic. Now, the other one with Trump, look out for later this month when he gets inaugurated. That stock is going to go through the roof. Check out the Patreon. Link is in the description. And it's already going through the roof. The other two are already going through the roof, just like this one. Serious bull runs right here, heading into 2025. Thank you all. Pray every day. I'm Scott.